We have an in-ground pool that is considered a kit pool. It had a liner in it which was old and deteriorated. Is there anything we can use in place of replacing a liner that would make it usable? Is there any way to paint or coat the formed kit to make it hold water? Because it's a special design and shape, the liners are far more expensive than other liners in normal shaped pools.
So the short answer to that is there's no easy way of doing it short of putting another liner. If you have a free form shape, arguably you could try to paint it, but it depends on what the bottom of the pool is. Is it a grout mix? Is it a sand mix? Is it a vermiculite mix? If it was a grout mix, which is a sanded cement mix, there's a chance that you could probably get a paint to stick to it and hold long enough to be able to hold water. If it's a vermiculite mix, you're not going to be able to seal the vermiculite. If it's a sand mix, you clearly are not going to be able to hold water. So short of turning it into a concrete pool with a rebar shell and spraying concrete and then a finish over that, your best option is a liner. Because even if you try to do something alternate to a liner, the amount of time, energy, and money you're going to spend is going to be far more than the difference of a custom liner versus a more standard liner. Granted, everything we build has custom liners that are more expensive, but the alternative is far more expensive. So what I would do is I would measure it and put another liner in it. It's to me going to be the cheapest and most effective way of doing it.